Buyers looking for high-tech amenities in an affordable pre-owned vehicle know that a used Kia Soul comes with advanced communication and entertainment features. And CarPros Kia has the selection of new and pre-owned Kia vehicles you've been looking for. Visit us online at www.carproskiacarson.com. While you're there, search our certified pre-owned specials. See our inventory of pre-owned vehicles under $10,000. Learn about our factory-certified pre-owned used cars. And read more about CarPros Kia, the #1 top-selling Kia dealership in the U.S. to find out why we're the right dealership for you. CarPros Kia is located at 21243 South Avalon Boulevard in Carson, California.